Brain Rules, 12 Principles for Surviving and Thriving at Work, Home, and School is a book by Medina, a molecular biologist and professor of bioengineering at the University of Washington. The book was published in 2008 and has since been translated into 25 languages. In Brain Rules, Medina presents 12 principles that he believes are essential for understanding how the brain works. These principles include: brains are designed to learn. The brain is constantly changing and adapting, and it is capable of learning new things at any age. Every brain is wired different. No two brains are exactly alike, and this diversity is what makes us unique. Neurons that fire together wire together. The more we use a particular pathway in the brain, the stronger that pathway becomes. We learn best when we are actively engaged. The brain is not a passive receiver of information. It needs to be actively involved in the learning process. Emotions drive learning. When we are emotionally invested in something, we are more likely to remember it. Sleep is essential for learning. Sleep allows the brain to consolidate memories and make new connections. Stress impairs learning. When we are stressed, the brain goes into fight or flight mode, which makes it difficult to focus and learn. We are social creatures. We learn best when we are interacting with others. Brain is constantly changing. Neuroplasticity is the brain's ability to change and adapt throughout life. We are all different. There is no one-size-fits-all approach to learning. The brain is a complex organ. We are still learning about how the brain works, and there is much that we do not know. Medina concludes by arguing that if we want to be successful in life, we need to understand how the brain works. He provides a number of practical tips for how we can apply the brain rules in our everyday lives. Brain Rules is a well-written and engaging book, provides a wealth of information about how the brain works. Medina's writing is clear and concise, and he does an excellent job of explaining complex scientific concepts in a way that is easy to understand. The book is full of interesting anecdotes and examples, and it is sure to appeal to anyone who is interested in learning more about the brain. Overall, Brain Rules is an excellent book that provides a valuable overview of how the brain works. It is a must-read for anyone who is interested in learning more about the brain, and it is also a great resource for parents, teachers, and anyone who works with children.